Take a look at this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.